Welcome to Vargas University Video Shorts. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to distort perspective in Illustrator so that you can transform a single object in a free-form way. We'll be using the free transform tool rather than the perspective tool. You'll be able to distort the perspective of a single object. Start by creating a new file. Select the Type tool in your toolbox and type the words you would like to use. You will want to customize your choice of font and the tracking before the next step. Next, you will need to create outlines from the selected text. Converting your text to outlines changes your text to artwork, shapes, and removes all the font information from the file. Go to the top menu bar, choose Type, scroll down to create outlines. Go to your toolbox on the left side of the screen and choose the free transform tool. Once you choose the free transform tool, the second toolbox with more options will pop up on the screen. Go to the Perspective Distort tool. Use the corner of the bounding box to modify the shape. Now it's time to customize your color. Thank you for watching, and please follow us on Instagram for more free educational tools like this. Go to jmvu.edu to take the first step toward a brighter future.